Hello everyone, welcome on Just Learn channel. Today we are going to continue topic about OneDrive. Before I will start, please remember to subscribe my channel. Alright, today's lesson is about some useful tricks. First trick, when you log into OneDrive online and you will be creating the folders, you can pick up the different color. You see that I have some usually yellow one, but also some purple, green or red. How I did it? Very simple. When the folder is already created, you can easily change using the three dots and change the color. Or right click on the folder and change the color. The third way is during folder creation, like currently I'm creating new folder, test, you see that I can choose different color. Voila, that's it. Changing the color maybe will help you to organize your data in better way. Second trick, open the OneDrive settings. Near the clock you will see the OneDrive icon here, or maybe somewhere here. It depends how many applications you have. Right click on the OneDrive icon and choose the settings. In the settings there is very useful option that can help you to synchronize some additional folders or data from your computer to the cloud. You can treat it like some backup. How to do it? Very simple. Under the sync and backup menu, you have option like backup important folders to OneDrive. You can learn more about such option when you click learn more. The Microsoft, I need to change the language. The Microsoft web page will open and you can easily read and see the movie about how to do it on Windows and also on Mac OS. It's very simple. When you click manage backup, you will see that you can mark some additional folders to backup. I already did it, but on different Microsoft accounts, so I'm not going to do it now. But when you click, you will see that such folder will be visible in the cloud, for example. Let me just show you on my OneDrive. You see that documents is already here, desktop the same. Especially I love to synchronize my desktop because I'm keeping some data on the desktop and also on the documents. Okay, the last trick. When you open some or you will be creating new files like Word, Excel, let me check on the Excel. You can automatically synchronize the file and the data inside to the OneDrive. How to do it? On my Excel you see on the left upper corner that AutoSave is not set up. When I click, it's actually off. When I click on, the additional option will be visible, and when I choose on which OneDrive I would like to save and name the book and click OK, voila. And now when I change something or remove something, it will create my history of the file in the OneDrive, and this is like automatic backup. Okay, this is everyone for today. I hope that this trick helped you a little bit. Share with me in the comments what else would like to learn about, and I will be very happy to prepare new movie. Thank you. Bye bye.